our parish of St. Mary. You know the thing go. Just reaching our junction here. Know the junction set up a be a windy road. Yeah, you see me? Then I want to look a place them called Broadgate. You see me? Well, know somebody will come from Broadgate, tell me why them call it Broadgate, no, because I don't know. Everybody has a Broadgate. When you get broad, I don't know. Wanna chat to me there? You see it?
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Let me take you around Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. And valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline with my windows down and the breeze blow everything off my mind. Ooh. Cruising along the coastline with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Unbuckle my seatbelt, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. If we take time, when we go and go up Rosa or down Spur Tree Hill, through the hills and valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along on coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Unbuckle my seatbelt, windows down when we cross in Flatbridge. If we take time, when we go up Mount Ross or down Spur Tree Hill, through the hills and valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along on coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Whenever me na Santa Thomas or Portland, me have to find a river, roast bread fruit pan, the fire with salt, fish or liver. When me na Santa, my life for relax pan a raft, or stop in a Ochi town and get some handcraft. When we pass through Westmoreland, on the bar down me go hard as some sweet roast yam. It no matter which part me stay, whether Portmore or Montego Bay, as long as there is jerk chicken, then everything is okay. Let me take you around Jamaica. Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. And valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline, with my windows down and the breeze blow everything off my mind. Ooh. Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Packed in the car, real friends apart, Portmore and Tonight Grill, nowhere not far. I fi grab a patty and a rich straight from the bar, Prestige donut in a hand, while me pull up by the jelly man. Yo, I make me get a cold one, a star, chop it in a two, and make sure you chop a spoon. Make me eat the meat quick, cause we have to touch back the road soon. mountainside. It's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Unbuckle my seatbelt, window down when we cross Flat Bridge. Off we take time when we go, no Rasta, don't spur Tree Hill. Through the hills and valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Unbuckle my seatbelt, window down when we cross Flat Bridge. Off we take time when we go, no Rasta, don't spur Tree Hill. And mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline, Jamaica, with my windows down.
Through the hills and valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride, cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind.
Through the hills and valleys and mountainside.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, as you heard in the intro. And right about now, we're in the parish of Portland, St. Margaret's Bay to be exact. And we are making our way go to the Manley International Airport. Yeah, all the way out there, so we are go. So make sure you tag along for the full journey. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing go. I just want to say, you do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed, alright? Just a click of a button, people. Nothing too hard. You understand? Yeah, man. And also, people, you can actually send super chat. You can send like gifts. Yeah, monetary donation if it is you choose to, alright? It up on the screen, it now hide. Just click on it. If I comment, you can see the dollar sign. Just click on it. Do your thing, it is much appreciated. That's what I say. Big up on yourself. You can also contact me directly on WhatsApp. The number is in the description. You get what I say? Yeah, man, look in the description and you see the number in there. Link up with you, send me a one message, let me know say you love the video. Them all whoever chat. Link me, call me if you don't want to. Once me available, you know say yo, me all a little chit chat with you, because I love to talk. You understand? Yeah, man, so bless up on yourself, you know, people. We're there, I go on this journey, you know. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. We're there with the family as usual. You see me? Keep me there, tag along, baby boy, there, tag along to so. Maybe from time to time, you might hear little side conversations, you might hear we make too nice and so. But don't worry yourself, I just say a family life, you know. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. So me I tell you, say, yo, me there, you know, my people. They up on the road there. Nothing about rain and fall, but no Portland go. That's how things set up. Rain and fall, the place have to wet up every day at Portland. You know that already, right? Yeah, man. That's why the place looks nice and, you know, the vegetation up there, lush and green and everything. You see it? So, yeah, man. So, we're there, my people. But I don't think the rain there in Kingston still, you know. Yeah, I check the weather and I don't see no rain for Kingston. The sun hot. I look on the weather, the sun hot. Scorching. Yeah. You see me, I think it have like a little 5, 10 or 15% chance of rain. We don't in the evening, like about after 3 or so. You know, so yeah. But it's scorching hot, man. Scorching hot over there. I look on it. So we might have little more drizzle, I don't know. Maybe you know the junction it will rain in this or two, so yeah, but go and bear with us still. You know me if you have the wiper go to and fro. Hopefully it's not that annoying across the screen still, you see me? But yeah, man. You go and take in the thing, man. You don't know it go already, man. You see it? Yeah, my people. I'm driving in the water. You have to drive in there, bro. I come in another car and this in there. Yeah, people, if you look ahead that way, you can see a little clear sky up there so and all of these things. You see me? So yeah, man. So I guess once you come down out of the hilly area, you don't know. Yeah. And again, I just say, shout out to the people who are watching video them. Whether you're yard or abroad, you see me? If you're on a rock like myself, big up yourself, you don't know the thing go. Yeah. But there you go and endure it, is it? And the people in the diaspora, big up on yourself as well. Yeah. Whichever continent you're there and take in the content. Bless up yourself, is it? Yeah, man. Big up to the people who are far out. As a yardie, we out, is it? We are make the things them happen, do. Yeah. Big up on yourself. When I did them when I live, if you jump on the live stream and make me know what you want to do, which part of some place where you want to there. You see me? Because like Carmen, they we over in a Cyprus. We around there so near the Middle East side of Greece, them part there. We around on one part. Yeah. Like, you know, well, I mean, me talk to her already and she tell me, say, she get a lot of things Jamaican just the same. You know, so I guess it is what it is still. But it would have good for know you how you live over there, like what you really are doing, you see it? Yeah, and if you don't miss Jamaica, you see me? Yeah, my people, we just stay here and take a time a cruise, you see me? Yeah. And also, the music on the ear I play and them something there, like the link in the description. I'm gonna pin the link as well in the comment section. So it's gonna be the first comment in our comment section. So you can always just click on the link. You know what I say? Yeah. You can always just click on the link and it take you directly to the song, alright? Yeah man, so right now we are approach Hope Bay. Yeah, that's over there right now, you see it? Yeah man. So yeah, just click the link, take you directly to the song. When you go over there, you can click like on the song as well, you can drop a comment. That's the good things them want to normally do on YouTube, man. You see me? And you can also subscribe to the channel over there, it's called Fusion Music. All of those music where you see is produced by yours truly, written and produced by me, alright? Yeah man. So, you just do the right thing when you go over there, man. You understand? Drop on a comment and them thing there. If you don't like the song, pick me up and let me know say you want to like the song. You understand? Yeah. You know a thing go already, man. Alright? The man they stand up so close to the roadside and water the bar road. I nah do that, you know. No, sir. Right now, my window them down, but I choose more want to get the sound from the street to enough people. And that's why all the window down too, because honestly, if I never did a record, window well up. You see me, but hopefully nobody not splash me still. Because nobody ever splash me, see man. I said my clothes come food to wash it, you know. Yeah man. Said my clothes come food to wash it, that's right. Yeah. We got the people in the parish of Portland too, you know. Yeah man, bless up on yourself, man. You don't know a thing, but you see it. Who don't know say, I found the parish I carry the bus right now, right? Yeah, who don't know this, right? Who don't proud of yourself? Yeah. Portlanders them feel like how Jamaican feel when them go amongst other Caribbean people, you know. Important, special. You know when you come up to the Caribbean people and say, oh yeah, me a Jamaican, you know you carry a buzz. Yeah, because you know everybody want to be like us. So the Portland people, them there yard, you know, them know for them parish I carry the buzz. So big up Portland people, if you come from Portland and you watch a video here, big up yourself, drop a comment in the comment section, let me know which part of Portland you forward from, you see me? Yeah man. Big up Portland people them again, you see it? Yeah. I don't really want Portlander, you know, or if I say you want call it, you know. But I don't really imported either, you know. Let me tell you how it go now. So my grandmother originally come from Portland, see? Yeah. That's my father mother. Original from Portland. Moortown. You see me? Yeah. But my room them chat from. I think of this, though. I hope I get the history right, you know. So, yeah, man. Moortown, man. My grandmother forward from, man. But, here what go on now? My grandmother actually moved. I'm going to live at St. Thomas. Sorry, people, yeah. So, my grandmother moved and go live at St. Thomas. So, when me as a youth that grew up, you know, when you're a youth, you come from town and you grew up and you summertime, holiday time, you go to country. At St. Thomas, me used to go. And my cousin them and dating, and that's how we know about. So we don't really know about the Moortown, the Portland lifestyle. Just we parents them alone know about it, because them born there. They come look for my father birth paper, Moortown they on it. You see me? So I really with parents them. So what go on, you see me as I say, my grandmother moved and live in a St. Thomas area, Seafoot. So that's how my little childhood country life go on. And of course you know me on my mother's side too. Forward from down a St. Anne. You see me, move big up yourself, you see it? So yeah, man. So I don't know about the Portland life, but Portland in my blood. Same way. And I maroon blood too. So I don't play with it. Yeah, man, Portland in my blood too, man. You see me? So me not just a ride the wave. You know, me have like a reason. Yeah, me have like a reason for ya. Yeah. You see me, but big up everybody. All of Jamaica, how I won't see me. Because if tourists come here and a full joy, why if we are Jamaican, we don't enjoy every parish. So big up everybody, big up every Jamaican, big up every parish. You see me? But the truth, I truth. I Portland I carry the bus right now. Everybody has a Portland right now. You see me, because the river them and everything. But people, you have some nice river to some other parish, you know, where I'm going, you know. Nah, tell no lie. Sweet! Yeah, man. So big up all Jamaican once again. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up Jamaica to the world. Yeah. And this is why I say yo 876 by birth, you know. Yeah, man. 876 by birth. And for all Jamaican people, me nearly get splashed, you know. Me I tell you them I get splashed, me I send this come for a wash. So anyways, yeah. Big up all Jamaican. Yeah, man. All Jamaican. Big up all Jamaican. So as I say why I say 876 by birth, because you don't know that our area code. The 876, you understand? Yeah. That's our area code, so it goes for everyone. It's not just me alone and my name. Once you're born Jamaican, 876 by birth, and if you're not born a Jamaican and your family, you have descendants of Jamaica, you can say 876 by descent. You see me? So once you have the 876 in your blood, big up yourself, you understand? Yeah, man, manners and respect, man. So we just stay alright and I take good time and go through the hillside, you know. You see it? Yeah. And as I say, hopefully the wiper not too distracting, but the screen I get a little foggy, so I can't really turn it off. You see me? Because I want to make sure, say, yo, you know, even though the conditions is not favorable, but I try to make it the best as possible. You see me? But we soon right, man, because we're going to come out of this soon and pretty soon. You understand? Yeah. As I say, Kingston are burn up as usual, so yeah, man. Probably piece of heat stretch coming on hillside, yeah, you know? Yeah. And as you know, we are going in a Junction and all these places too. See that turn here, people, me I tell them say they turn here in every parish. Every parish me drive through, me buck up on one of them turn here. Every single parish. Me know no parish when I have it. You see it? Yeah. And people, as the song say, if you're loving the vibe, make sure you subscribe. You know, I can't say this. I can't stop saying. I feel I put it on it like, please, we're on a road to 10K right now with the subscription. We have about 7,600 and something subscribers. Road to 10K. So just click the subscribe button. Then I could make it happen now. Yeah, man, I could make it happen, man. You see me? So I can say, alright, another milestone achieved. You see me? Yeah, man. Just do that little subscribe something there for me, my people. Please and thanks, alright? Yeah. Just angular business there for me, please. And we know how YouTube work, you know. You know, it always like have your viewership and most of the persons who don't subscribe, because them always push out the content to new people. So most of you know where I watch this are gonna be new viewers. So just do me a little favor, alright? Yeah, make that be your contribution to the channel. Subscribe, alright? Yeah, man. And people as me there speak, actually, I try render one video for post an idea, you know, but it look like the laptop gone dead. Me actually that save it, me done edit it and everything, but it look like the laptop just gone dead, because, yeah, true I left out and thing. Yeah, because me have to plug it out, you know. And then carry it come up in the car and thing, but we couldn't left out at the same time because due to the rain. The rain, so you got dead people. The laptop battery are really good. As a matter of fact, I need a new laptop and everything. You see me? Yeah, so that's why I tell you to say, yo, subscribe to the channel and make it think grow so we can buy, you know, some more up to date equipment to use and, you know, bring some better quality video. Even though the quality not that bad, you know, still, but you know, so we are aiming for the highest, is it? Yeah. So just do a little, just angle little business and make little business get for angle for my side. Yeah. Cause what go on, you know, when I reach home now, I have to go plug in my laptop, load this, make it continuing. And a video you're supposed to like about 2 hour long video. Yeah. This is gonna be a long video too. So all the people who love talk about them want a long video. This is gonna be a long video too. So gear up on the little self, alright? Yeah, no for one ever say, oh video them too short. Hey, I start to something I love say. So gear up on the little self. You understand? Yeah. And then you know after we done now we have to do the uploading process, but the upload probably not that bad on my yard, see. But yes, boy, I try to upload couple video and yo, why? It beat my body. Always. But you know I say it goes still. I think I did get it uploaded, so we give thanks same way. See Coastline them people. Yeah man. Yeah man my people. Jamaica a pretty piece of place, you know? Yeah. Think about that's the name Orange Bay. Yeah, so big of the people from Orange Bay. And people you can check out the rest of the video them on the channel now. Yeah man, I have some playlists so you can just go through the channel and see maybe highlight enough for you know. You don't know about check it out. I mean I have other channels as well, so subscribe to it. You see me? Yeah, subscribe to them if you want see we look a regular vlogging with day-to-day thing them some of the time you can subscribe to them little channel there. Yeah man, support the youth man. Alright? Yeah. Alright people, so we're gonna approach the town of Buff Bay right now, cool? So this is the Buff Bay police station ahead of me. Straight up ahead. Yeah, in Jamaica the police stations are painted in blue and white. Yeah. Alright people, so we are cross over in the parish of St. Mary now. You see me? So yeah. Left Portland. St. Mary there now, you see it? Yeah. Ball game a play over here, so. Oh. Sunday morning ball game, you know. Yeah man. So people, if you can look out, you will see say, oh, it's so clear. Looking at the sky. You see me I tell you now, say yeah. As I say, maybe that junction do it overcast, me don't know, but you know that I junction. But after that, yeah. Blue sky. That them place are dry, you know, people. No rain. So right now we are approach the town of Anotto Bay. Yeah. Yes, them the people. Just a little bit. Not even enough. Morning, are you trying to pump them? 90. Just 1,000. Morning. Oh, sorry. See there? Yeah. Thanks. Alright, yeah, my people, so just stop up a little tubes of gas. Vehicle hybrid, you know. And I buy some gas in a town, because obviously it go cheaper. You see me? The country price are loading up people. You see me? But when it did, I think it could have carried me still, you know. Honestly, think it could have carried me, but you don't know. That's why I make sure. Yeah. Because the amount of kilometer where it say me have, where it say left, I can drive go. We are going less, far less than that amount of kilometers with us. But you know, you just want to be sure. So you just get a little top up, you see it. So yeah, people, this is a town of Anotto Bay, you see me? Yeah. Lock off the wiper now to them, I not even realize. Yeah man, so a town of Anotto Bay this. The brother, yeah, park and talk to your friend, brother. Right, you know, we're going to head to the roundabout. Them call Robert Schumann roundabout. And then we're going to take the left there. So the first exit out of the roundabout, make our way down to Junction. You see me I say? Yeah, and then continue down to Temple, all them place there. You understand? Yeah. So if you actually want to go Port Maria or Ocherius, you gotta go round to the next side. See me? You gotta go on the second exit, but you don't know Kingston side. Down here, so. Yeah. People, so we're still in our parish of St. Mary. You know the thing go. Just reaching our junction here. Know the junction set up a be a windy road. Yeah, you see me? Then I want to look a place them called Broadgate. You see me? Well, know somebody will come from Broadgate, tell me why them call it Broadgate, no, because I don't know. Everybody has a Broadgate. When you get broad. I don't know. Wanna chat to me there. Yes it. Oh yeah man. There up on the right hand side you have a little river around, you know? Yeah. People over them cliff here, over them side here, all stop me and look pan, you know? Yeah. People all stop me. Yo, more wanna tell me the truth. Like, who know would I really live over them? Like, me thought this is enough of my video them. Listen, if me born and see myself born and I grow, yes so. People when me reach 18, me gone, you know? Cause you live over them cliff here, you must have high blood pressure. You live down and lay bed and hear a vehicle tear down the road and come. You don't know where it's going, you know? Not saying we are saying yeah that, but yo, your anxiety must go up when they live on over them precipice them. I see him think me settle with Mount Rasa. Mount Rasa, yeah. See him think me say this up. People live over a precipice. When you look over there, all stop over there. Yo boy, me I tell you say God grace good still, you know. Yeah man, cause trust me. Especially all the Mount Rasa side they say, you know man. Yo. Big up God, yeah man. Nah lie, big up God. People watch your house up there, so. Right, on top of the hill. Man go upstairs settings and ray. Yeah. Booster make nice. A rain drop in a junction here, cause you see in here wet up. Oh, they are not to be them place, the road did dry, but yeah so. But as you say, you know you so always get little rain. So you go. That's how that come like a rainforest, you know. Yeah man. Always wet through here, you know. And you know the junction, I see that sign there where say jerk center. You know when you come through here, so you have the little spot them where you can stop to get little, you know, jerk and you know a thing already when you travel the country route. You can get the little thing them for buy, you know. A little soup if you want soup and yeah man, you know every country you go have them little spot. Is it? So yeah. So you can find them little spot that you here to, is it? Yeah. Rooster. Yeah, mommy, I sweep up our stall front. Yeah. The one little more sellings I go on. Fruit stall here, people, sugar cane, pineapple. Little fruits, you know? Yeah. Yeah, so see one of the little food stop them here, so? Yeah. People in the park. Park good. Them park in the road, so for them real. Stop in the road. You're so done now already. You have to just find something decent for catch. And them get some hot beverage in the morning, or like a hot tea or something still, is it? Yeah. But if park look better though. Cylinder them well tie up. Van the while I got a cylinder. So people, when you see them green and orange cloth they will tie up, you know. It's actually right now is a election time in Jamaica right now, see? Yeah. So for all of who don't know I might wonder, that's why you see it. So we never just have a carnival or a festival and nothing like that. Nothing to do with partying or entertainment. Election time now, election season in Jamaica right now. So this is why you see the green and the orange. Them they are the colors that represent the two major political parties in Jamaica. You understand? So that's why you see the color like that. You get me? So yeah. Alright, we're in an era where they call Castleton right now. You see me? Yeah man, so we just go and make way. Still in the parish of St. Mary. Or the Castleton here, you know, up the road you have the Castleton Botanical Garden. Yeah. Normally people go over there too and thing. I've never been over there, but people always go over there. You have a little river where you run over there too. That sort of thing, you see me? Yeah. Castleton police station up on my left hand side there, so that's why it's another little rest stop. You can stop to pick up some things too. You see it? Yeah. So we're in the vicinity now at the botanical gardens. In the entrance they over here, so I remember when we were entrance. It was from the right side. But right you saw the botanical gardens. This is the area. It look like it's on two sides. I don't know. You see me? We never go over there yet, so I don't know which part of the entrance there. Which side, but at the area this. So if you actually ever wanted to come visit this place, yeah, you kind of get a little view of it, so it look like you know where to go. If you come from Portland in, or if you come from Kingston in too, you can see the area. And them have a couple signage, so you're not supposed to last. And you know the good old way where you can stop and ask direction too. You know the people them always ever willing to give direction. And just that when country people tell you say yo, around there so, you know say I'm around there. I just round the corner. You know say you can go round couple corner well. Yeah, you know I say that's a country people think already. And right now we're close to the border of St. Andrew, you know. Yeah. much jelly coconut. On the right side, yes sir. Yeah, my people. We're getting there, we're getting there. And we're actually in the parish of St. Andrew right now, you know, people. You see me? Yeah. Still up in the hills. You know, but we're getting there. And people, I do apologize if the glare from the sun kind of affect the video. You know, sorry about that, but it's not going to be for the entire video as you can see. So, you know, it based on how we turn the direction where we are going on these good stuff. So, just endure it for the couple of minutes where you might have a little glare and thing. You know? Yeah. Must look like a beach trip this, you know. Yeah. I think so much public passenger bus on the road on a Sunday. I come up from town, I come up Portland. You know, look like a some beach trip or I don't know, river trip or whatever trip. Is it? Yeah. Because we're in the holiday weekend, you know, people. Yeah, man. As you know, in the August, I will celebrate two holidays. Emancipation and Independence. One for the 1st, one for the 6th. Yeah. Big up with National Hero them. Yeah, see me I say, yeah. Big up all tacky. Don't know why them never turn in a hero, but big up yourself and you me rate. Yeah, see? Real warriors them. Yeah. People are town people, you know. Yeah, man. Because I see how they are driving in one town and come. They don't live a country. You must swing people up on them narrow road. Yeah? But go with them in a junction. Yeah, people. So we are there. I take a time, see me and make a way. Go down a temple hall. You know we go. people. So Temple, that's how it is. Oh, so the bus route. I guess the bus run from Temple go down. Cause Jamaica get some new buses the other day and them have a whole heap. But I guess Temple route is probably a long time route, I would say. I don't know. So yeah. Cause the other day for the next video, me I come down to and we see one bus do and same thing. I did a wonder, you know? Yeah. Sweep up in the yard front. Beach trip, listen up people. Yeah man, beach trip. Hopefully we not get no copyright. That's supposed to be Stony Hill, you know, people. I'll get some gas people, so I'll wait for him. Possibly from the nice people. And why not the glass, look at. That's very nice. Yeah, my people, so we're there. As I said, this supposed to Stony Hill, so yeah. You can say we're there. More than halfway the journey. Is it? Yeah. That's how I hope so them something and copyright, you know. Hey, people, I'm going to play some music right just because I just can't take a copyright. We come too far if I get copyright right just see? So yeah, I'm going to play some music. Alright? And as I say, if you love the music and you want, if you want to find the music, then the link in the comment section. So just click the link in the comment section. Pin up at the top of the comment. Go over there, subscribe to them, to like them and everything too. Alright? Yeah. Bless up on yourself.
Me for the jam long and bored, yeah. 876 by birth, a time for touch the road. Me just fully tank and me ready for touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have not or so. Thankful to the brim and me ready for touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have not or so. Vibe somewhere nice and calm. Or maybe me make a trad inna the hills and go chill on a farm. Eat some fresh fruits, sip a little roots, play with the animals inna the barn. River vibes nice and calm. Me just fully tank and me ready for touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Thankful to the brim and me ready for touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have north or south. Me fi visit one of them mineral spring. Dip me head, sat me back and soak up the healing. Run a small boat with breadfruit and salting. Sweet lemonade, wash down everything. Me just fully tank and me ready for touch out. Which part we are going, no matter I could have
take you around Jamaica, through the hills and valleys and mountainside. Yeah, it's like we're all together going for a ride.
Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. Through the hills and valleys and mountainside, it's like we're all together going for a ride. Cruising along the coastline, with my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind. When my windows down, letting the breeze blow everything off my mind.
Alright people, so we are making way, I go back down now. So we'll just stop and pick up somebody. So dip on way, you know. Straight to the airport. We got the people in there we do from we start out on the journey from rain and fall till you know we're there down in I St. Andrew this still. Till sun and shine and everything. You see me pick up yourself, you don't know the thing going on. Yeah man. I make a way go down in the city there. You understand? Yeah. Is this good? I'm going to me. Oh. Madness, yes. So you give black people the power and all that up, you know. Yeah, people just left Stony Hill Square. Make a way, a whole heap of people out, you know, tripper go on and them little thing there. Tell the people them out and stunting. You know what I mean? Yeah. Jaja. Look like a flower. drive now, you know, so. And then I guess in live up as no, the only drive man, I choose me that wait for the man, that's why me that some of this that's why me that drive so slow. Why me that give the man time for get himself together. Some one next deep corner here in a St. Andrew. Telling the people them corner here they everywhere, they road they everywhere, then turn they in every parish. But yeah man, they drive, they're not free to drive out there. Yeah man, him drive man, him drive, not free to drive out there. Free to drive out there at all. I feel him job a foreign to, you know, that's the 10 things, so I'm afraid. But me I say my boy it's a different now because you know, my boy drunk and if I hope you live. You know this a road like the back of your hand, so yeah. Nah, itch. Well, no, but you stop for yeah, continue. Watch it, watch it. Alright, you run off the man off the road, you know, man. Full driving. I don't know what I'm to the man them. Yo. Come in, but him there, follow the taxi, man. Must use to run taxi too. But then a market, so you don't expect no better from him. Yeah, front on a taxi and the next one a markets.
So now I'm scared.
So me in there is.
We can do.
Alright people. So basically, well, you can call it say we there at Kingston Spring. It was the next stoplight and then we are going there at the Kingston Spring Narberth Drive right there so area. So yeah. Yeah people, so that left turn here, right down here so Narberth Drive, so it carry go up to Rich and the Famous, yeah? All that money people them up top. That's how them thing there, you see it? Yeah. I'm on that way my drive. You can turn up as you know and go down more the view. Well, not here, but I guess I'm gonna do it, I see it. Yeah. That's a better drive, okay. I mean, I say most more go on from a film ground. Yeah, Olivier. Yeah. Oliver Road, what the east me come from? funny enough, you know, look. So this are my boy constituency. Well, this Samuda, but see if I take it over, you know. But yet still, no, a chop. Yeah, chop. Hold on, Upper yes, because Upper carry to the Barbican and Riri, but this case, you know, what may I say still, them uptown constituency, you know, it's funny, you know, because most of them voters come out of the garrison them same way. It's not like them rich people that will live Boyard. And I ask them I get them vote from. I really the garrison them will surround them place and we fall in a constituency give them vote, you know. Rich people have business, you know? No, they don't care. People don't care at all. Suppose run and say bad prep school there, man. The prep school there all like celebrity people then go, man. Can't remember. No remember. One day I got to tell you. Stella Mary, see. But yeah, and some other prep schools supposed to be nearby too. But see sign it was Stella Maris. You have a next one too. And if not necessarily Stella Maris, but you have another popular one too. Apartment, you could have USD them apartment you are renting, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Location you're paying for, peace of mind, safety. So you have to name Arcadia. I wonder if I think around so we around the name again. Or there's some road work around there. I think them block off the whole road, you know. For the whole time. Am I used to live again? Where you come from? Charlton, yeah. Them a do road work, man. Them block it off and see. The apartment still, you know. Why you see, man? Apartment for days. So yeah, people, we're there in the heart of uptown, you know? Yeah, we are drive through money. We make sure the window them wine well done so the breeze can blow up on me. Yeah, man. Money place up here, so people, you see it? Yeah. Uptown. Yeah, man. Live up as a peace of mind, man. At Jackson, let me say. Yeah, so that I like close by because Jackson don't supposed to down there, so yeah. Same place they come down in a Barbican down here, so same way. Yeah. Yeah, man, them apartment, yeah, man, US dollar them are renting, man. And a joke thing. So this is Arcadia Drive with upon people. Alright, so if you always hear the name and if I wonder, yeah, we'll just go through Arcadia. Alright? Lots of posh upscale apartments. No, brother, do it. Yeah, I'm for do it. And then up towards another place, Russell Lights. Yeah. Another little money place. So yeah, people within our Barbican area. Right man, this stop a stoplight? Oh yeah, I say. And a good one them that. Yeah, my people. So as I say, yeah, we're in a Barbican area, you see me? So yeah, make sure you click like on the video, you know, man. Please and thanks, alright? What I mean for your bad enough. Record one video and I say click like on the video, and I listen back, me I edit it. Me I say, oh, this sound like me about the people, them so. People, sorry, me sound aggressive. Me don't mean it, alright? Me just want to click like on the video and subscribe to the channel, alright? But yeah, so right now we're in a Barbican Square. Barbican Square this? Yeah. I time that, you know. I time I just steer on the road while I got that, you know. Yeah, I even go pick up somebody now. See? I even gone up in there. Yeah, mama people, Barbican we're there, you know. Yeah, Nathan. Yeah. Paddington Terrace. Yeah, big house up on this too, you know, man. And one time I pass out one of the gate, them slide open and I look in there. I know what kind of car them there was in it. I serious thing, man. I know what kind of car them there when I see in that place. Oh, machine in there. Like somebody a drive out, you know. So the gate, yeah. But through the automatic gate. So so the person drive out and then me a pass. And it a slide and a lock back. And I say, yo. Yeah, man, uptown people, them, man. If you hear the name Paddington, you know it go. Yeah, I see like something deep over there, so. Why not know there's a fear, brother? What? My boy is supposed to something else. He's supposed to know my boy still. I can know him. There's a reason. Yeah, look at police spot check, you know? That mullet? Yeah? Alright. My bad, more food. Water commission and lay pipe. Man, I know if you dig up the road, you know, man. Yeah. Why not go in there, them little bit people, because dust. Might hear the AC a blow a little bit in the people, because the dust wicked, as you can see. I think that the same water commission to the road up at the place to say, look like I just a collective effort of road work. That's our commission office. Apa dah semua soal dia sah. Mana ni come down to us but supposed to some this. Yeah. Think was up I go straight across. Hmm? Hmm. Oh, man. Alright, my people, so right now we're up on Mountain View Avenue and we are going all the way straight down to the bottom. You see me I say, yeah. Heading at East Kingston. Give me say wipe on the bottom. Oh yeah man, straight all the way down where I go. And go up on Winard Road. So as you know, we're going to drive past National Stadium. They're right down this up on the right hand side. Yeah, they are high look and grease up. What a road, brother? People on the right hand side of Nannyville Garden. You see it. Range over here. So you don't see the range. Over there, yes. Yeah. Okay. Big Bad School excels High School on the right hand side, alongside the Cong College and the primary. Yeah. Oh. Watch trench in our road, man. What a commission, man. Man, him favorite sport that in a man, for dig up road in a man. I don't say a favorite control road, that's a back bush. Favorite constituency. That mean I probably councillor. Favorite MP. I never know say yes, it's a favorite. I never know say yes, a favorite. Get for run. Backbush people are still a long time live right them still, so anybody them put there, them are go and run it. Kingston Giant. Yeah, brother. They didn't know now. So if you are consistent, check how them cut them some here so that truck would have control this up to them. Wow. Because I think of a woman named Stacey Knight. Down at them place and now Jarrett Lane. People see Jarrett Lane left hand side, right side of the light post here Jarrett Lane. Yes, I can carry the straight back across in a Rockford. Yeah. And then you have GX Road down here so. See GX Road? GX Road up on your right hand side. Yeah man. See GX Road? Nah glorify crime nor nothing. See GX Road up on your right hand side. Where is the GX Road? You can take on the whole of Spain. But driver man, him know the road. Him not go through Rockford, him go down Lucas Road. Drive through Norman Garden. So people run us the name Norman Garden. And people have BNB from God say let there be light. There be area BNB area. Hey, one time the road them run us the bird in a man. People them growing off my farm and growing, you see me? Yeah man. Them place are born and grow, you know? Well, further road more in a Rockford still. Don't think driver man up ahead that go drive through. Say, I go down, he might go slide right and go down Lucas Road. They say I go drive. The Oliver Road you talk about, a road so. But yeah, see all barrier there they are sitting, so you know say curfew and then sit there is a regular. Yes, sir. But I know you say I go drive still. Them growing people I'm a farmer growing them growing here. They look good, they say me look a footprint them from when I was a boy. I'm grown and done man. Yeah man. Right, so you have a little supermarket. You should come buy. Right, because there's some music on the basic school, you know.
A church here?
Yeah, it's a church, but music on the basic school. On basic school over there, you know, say basic school over by church, man. So yeah, me used to go there.
And basic school never have a church.
No, most of the church have a basic school over there. Yeah, see Oliver Road, yeah. My grown them grown man, if you look good, you see my footprint them. And me I look at you to run up and down. Worker Road, this pan left as some people. And then this supposed to be Nazard Road, next left here. Yeah, them people are PNP from God say let there be light. They don't see no other colour. People see the KFC up on your left hand side. I Uncle KFC where you can't dine. You just go in there, join the line, buy your food and come out. And somebody tell me say one clothes store, one fabric store or something used to do there first. Yeah. But at KFC they don't sit down and dine in a people, you see it? Just grab your food and cut. We got the people in my Rockford. Nice people them see me, you see me? Yeah. If you wanna call it Rennock Lodge. See the C sign there? That you know every garrison always have a nice name, you know. So this is called Rennock Lodge. Jamaica, Jamaica. Put this as a car, them know say tourist spots as a to you. My boy drunk man, my boy gone. Fly him fly. I'm gonna see him, I'm gonna pass him. Yeah? Yeah, tell him man. So whenever they come over in the lane, if you drive slow. Can't understand it no more. It's like the man, they must say, oh, the man a drive well, he might drive upstairs. But sometimes they might like, oh, the man a drive too slow, so they come over and they might drive slower than the man we a drive. What am I doing? Alright people, so we're going to pass the cement factory now. Out there so they make carry cement. You have to look out, you know, because police have love out there, so you know, speed trap always out there. Yeah, if them for out there, them are going to out there the little part of people. So we have to watch out for them. Not saying if we broke the speed limit still, is it? But I feel them feeding ground out here, so. Alright? Yeah. If you don't know, now you know. Look for Sherry. Sherry good enough in the area. My boy cut you and still in it. Oh. Yeah, imagine when you reach from airport road. Shell it. And they can trench out because one time water commissioner do some digging to you know. Afraid of them in a man. Or them seal it back, I say it in there. Oh, see them. Yeah. Well, it's a billboard. On gated community from my left hand side out of some people. And right now we are approaching Harbourview Roundabout. You see me? Yeah. Eh? Yeah, something like so. Alright people, so this is the airport road. How did that man here? It's a woman. Yeah my people, so this is the airport road, you know? Yeah. Hey, as me I tell you when the road is done, I think water commission you want to dig it up to you know. Man, I'm serious man. So the sea used to come over and mash up the road when we get the hurricane them and the rain, hard rain and whatever. Well, mostly hurricane. Sea water is come over and mash up the road, so them put some boulder on the side to kind of break the wave. You see me? So that no longer happens. You heard? So yeah. The road is well preserved. mash up my glasses, man. My glasses feel all tight. You look clean for my face? People give me sit down for my glasses, for my sunglasses. Twist it up. Alright people, so basically reach the airport. Out of say you used to have the plane tip the tail, but they move it and they redo out here and then they redid it again, or maybe it wasn't finished, I don't even know, but yeah. That are the new signage. Enough people are ball say, oh, them want about the Air Jamaica plane tail, you know? Yeah, I think that was pretty unique. But you know what I say, go? Yeah, the tail was, you know, pretty unique. But you know what I say, go? Man, go check them out here, how much in millions them spend for us do that. Okay, massive. Just want to say welcome to the Norman Manley International Airport. Friend, no, I want to be my dear Lena come and say, I'm going to drop out them suitcase first, man. I just give them suitcase and then hopefully, well, they must can carry them because some of them did it. So yeah, drop off a suitcase them and then go in the parking lot, go park. Hey people, welcome to the Norman Manley International Airport here in Kingston, Jamaica. If you've never been here before, now you see it. Alright people, 1 second there.
I'm gonna ask if Kaya see.
Alright, people, man, come on. Oh, yeah. You want to come out? Eh? So, come on, say that. Come out apart. Make a park, you know. One wallet there. That whole lamp and big man wallet, so big. Never touch big woman purse?
Just make sure, say, what is mine staying there?
I mean, no, yeah, whole lamp and big man wallet, so.
45 minutes ago.
Yeah, when I did in them, I call the taste them ready. Go park.
I'm gonna come out. Can I come out?
Yeah, go on, come out. You can come out.
Yeah, but pull up here.
So you go. May I come here? Hey! Alright, what am I done? It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Can't help them carry a suitcase. Oh, them are banana help. Hey people, some of us are gonna just jump in a car park and park and go and jam with them till them check in and thing. You know we go. So yeah, people there at the airport, look if you don't see nobody wanna know a runway. Or if you don't see nobody wanna know a come in. Some people wanna go and say, oh, a long time we don't see them, you know. Let's go and look, see if we don't see them. You see me? Girl, yeah, look a little drive shot. See, I go above you, but I go park, baby girl. People, I beat people when they hear my seatbelt. Alright, remember buckle it up, cause boy, sometimes I edit the video them and I hear some little sound and boy, it sound away and I say, boy, if I didn't know, you know? So I just buckle up. Even though I just right there, so I go back around, but I just buckle up, cause it's nice and is it? And you know, by right, you must drive with your seatbelt on at all times. Yeah. Wait, bro, wait. Alright, people, so we are going to a car park. And as I say, a lot of times the people make it look like, say, oh, the car park super expensive, which it is not. I'm telling you the cost for park right now. And you know we used to do all come on a circle round and a park way out a road out there, so and all these things. So see that I say yo, $250 up to an hour. You know if you go over it you pay extra. So they see that when you take a look on it, see? Alright. So look on it. And I want to tell you to say them just raised this, like, well, not just, but recently it raised. You understand? And the funny thing is, if you do that park where you know for park something there and go around and do the foolishness there. The cost for the ticket cost is way more than this 250 because them not gonna take an hour right this and even take 2 hours, 5 bills. Like Yaris getting a ticket for 5,000 or more. You see me? Yeah, a whole heap of something there for oh, this I said the car park full. Car park full enough people. I could just find a little spot still to jam, you know? Yeah. Oh, what do you mean? Somebody said them come over here too and I say, yo, oh, the car park full. I say them a drive around for how long. I look at space for park. Yeah. I know, I guess through a summer, you know, people might think they, you know, me a pre for park side of the vehicle. Yeah. I'm gonna look up and come back. Boy, I hope me not go on the space down here. Because, man, I tell you, car park super full. People, me switch for me, I go catch you. I catch you right between them two vehicles. But not even gonna further. Not even a bit further. Right, that's what I catch. Right, that's so. Yep. Alright, people, me catch you so. You know the funny thing, me have my laptop. I'm put it on the ground and say, yeah. Even though, yeah, so should be safe, but I'ma just put it there on the ground. Alright, people, big up on yourself, yo. I just want to tell you thanks for journey with me. Bless up all of the people that were there up on the journey from the beginning till now. Big up on yourself when you don't know the thing going on. You see what I say? Do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Do the right thing them, man. You understand? Yeah, man. Just do the right thing them when you know what you're supposed to do. You get me? Yeah, man. Turn on the AC a little bit while I talk to you. You see it? But, yeah, when you just do the right thing them. When you know what you're supposed to do. Alright? Yeah. All of the things them want to know what you're supposed to do, my people. You see me? Yeah, man. Just like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, alright? Yeah. Just do all of the good stuff there. You see me? Hold on, my people. Alright, my people, bless up on yourself, you know. You get me? Yeah, man. So as me I say, do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. If you like the music that's playing in the background, you can find it. The link to the music is actually in the comment section. Yeah, it pinned at the top of the comment. So just go ahead and click the link there. And it carry over to the page where I have the music there. You can subscribe to the music. The music is actually written and produced by me. So yeah, alright. So just go over there and do it. I just want to tell you thanks, big up on yourself. Thanks for just chat along with me on the journey. And yo, I appreciate you so much. If you want to contact me directly, my WhatsApp number is in the description. You can reach out there to me and yeah, send me a message or call me. Once me available, you know me will link up. Here's me I say. Yeah, mama people. So bless upon yourself when you don't know the thing going on. I 876 by birth, people, and I'm out.
Yeah. Oh, me fi dey a jam long and bored, yeah. 876 by birth, a time fi touch the road. Me just fully tank and me ready fi touch out. Which part we a go, it no matter, I coulda not or so. Thankful to the brim and me ready fi touch out. Which part we a go, it no matter, I coulda not or so. Vibe somewhere nice and calm. Or maybe me make a trad inna the hills and go chill pan a farm. Eat some fresh fruits, sip a little roots, play with the animals inna the barn. River vibes nice and calm. Me just fully tank and me ready fi touch out. Which part we a go, it no matter, I coulda north or south. Thankful to the brim and me ready fi touch out. Which part we a go, it no matter, I coulda north or south. Me fi visit one of them mineral spring. Dip me head, sap me back and soak up the healing. Run a small boat with breadfruit and salting. Sweet lemonade, wash down everything.